Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.